In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Meta AI not showing on WhatsApp. If you've been eagerly waiting for Meta AI features to pop up on your WhatsApp and they just haven't appeared yet, don't worry. We're going to troubleshoot this issue step by step. First things first, let's make sure your WhatsApp app is up to date. Whether you're on an Android device or an iPhone, open your App Store, Google Play Store for Android users, and the App Store for iOS. Check for any available updates for WhatsApp because sometimes these new features require the latest version of the app to function properly. Once you've updated, don't forget to completely close and then restart the app to ensure all new features are loaded. For Android users, there's an extra step that might just do the trick. You can try clearing the cache of the WhatsApp app. To do this, navigate to your device's settings, find apps, then WhatsApp, and select storage. Here, you'll see an option to clear cache. Be cautious though, clearing data instead of cache might sign you out or even delete some settings, so back up your chats just in case. Now let's move on to some compatibility considerations. Make sure that your device and its operating system are supported by the latest features. Sometimes older phones or very outdated OS versions might not support these new updates. Additionally, those using custom ROMs or phones with heavily customized user interfaces might experience quirks not seen on other devices. Next, check your internet connection. A stable and strong connection is key. If possible, switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that resolves the issue, as a weak or unstable connection can prevent new features from appearing properly. It's also important to note that Meta AI features might not be available in all regions yet. Even if your application is up to date and your device meets all the requirements, the feature might not be rolled out for your region or account just yet, since releases can be phased. Let's not forget about language and settings. Changing your app's language to a supported one, like English, might help, as some features are tied to specific language locales. Also, ensure that the app has all the necessary permissions, such as storage and microphone, enabled in your settings. Finally, as a last resort, you can try reinstalling WhatsApp. But before you proceed, back up your chats by going to settings, then chats, and finally chat backup. Once that's done, uninstall WhatsApp completely, download it fresh from the official store, and restore your chats during the setup process, and there you have it. By following these detailed steps, hopefully, you'll see the Meta AI features pop up on your WhatsApp. Thanks for tuning in, and good luck.